Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make an empathy prototype. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of understanding and ideation. It got the following characteristics. It allows to show in a three-dimensional way the interpretation of a primary concept and understand a situation or a need in a certain group. The tool can be used in the empathy and definition phases in a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology or any other agile methodology. This tool allows us to generate a three-dimensional model that is tangible and represent a concept and can be shared with a group. The empathy prototype is a tool that allows you to visualize and share concepts with your group in a three-dimensional way. Okay, so when we are developing an empathy prototype, the first thing that we need to do is ask what I want to know. So I can make a empathy prototype for different situations, for understand a user, for understand a situation, for understand a place, for understand a need, a problem, or a behavior. After I decide what I want to understand, I start sketching different alternatives. I have to be very creative with different alternatives that I can represent what I want. This is not a final model, so it's okay if it's not perfect. You can refine it later. It's very important that you use supplies, and we use very cheap supplies, so we can use in different ways. We can use cardboard, we can use paper, we can use different other alternatives that allow us to create something that might be rough, but it will allow you to show your idea. After we have the sketch and after we have the supplies, we start building. So we need to start cutting and pasting and all of that. So we develop our prototypes. We have to create at least 4 prototypes per situation. After that, we make a small presentation in our group. So we start talking and explaining the models that we create, and with all the group, we start analyzing what is better, what can be worked with what thing. That is very important because the presentation is the way that we communicate as a group. And after that, we start picking, choosing, and selecting the best ideas and the best situation. After that, we have a result, and basically we will have two scenarios. The first one is that we understood. We understood why the user is behaving the way they do. We are understanding the situation. We are understanding the place that is being looking. We understand the need that we are working on, or we can understand the problem. However, even after this, there is the possibility that we don't understand. If we don't understand, that's okay. What we have to do, we have to go back, we have to start sketching again, and we need to construct more prototypes until we got what we want and we understand. That is the main purpose of this tool, which is understand why is a situation happening and why someone is acting the way they do. As a conclusion, we can say that this tool allows us to visualize a tangible concept in a 3D model. The tool allows us to generate a representation of a concept or idea. The key of the correct use of this tool is to generate several models to be able to compare between them and select the clearest and the best one. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your development. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Remember, every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you for all your support, and we'll see you next time.